Yes, Sanbona again. Sympho. DJ Symphonic. Welcome to my new channel. If you're new, you're welcome.
Welcome.
Drop any comment. We're gonna welcome you in a warm way. Today it's a quick one, a very quick one. How to make a quick sound for action movie, or maybe how to make sound for drama, anything that's based on a soundtracking for a movie, or maybe for any episodes, or maybe any TV shows. Let's quickly jump straight to it today, but we're focusing on action. All right, let's go, guys. The first thing that you need to look for is string. Okay, let's go for strings. Let me search with the string, guys. Let me search strings. Probably I need to find one. It's gonna sound very well and good for a movie. Okay, let's use this one. And based on your mind, you need to use a string that is a little bit damper. Yes. Yes, I like this one. Okay, probably if I take this one, I'll stretch it out a little bit. I want to give it a more enough time to come. Okay, so probably yes. Now this is the right one. Okay. Yes, now you can feel even the texture that you're looking for. Now we're gonna simply just consolidate this one. Yes, then let me put it on my mixer as quickly as that. Okay, bait on your mind. The other thing that you're looking for is those picky sound that they're gonna make a feel that you're gonna see that part of or action movie scene on your mind. Right, let's look for proper drums. Let's look for drums that are gonna sound very well. Synfo, I normally use those FL Studio sound.
Mr. DJ.
Okay. Let me move this string. This thing is so simple. Okay. Nope. Stick here. One there. Yes. Need here. Yeah. Yes. Yes. I need to put more reverb. Yes. Now I need to get the more tense drums. These other ones that I got here. Yes. I need the other one that are a little bit tense, so they're gonna punch in a form of the feel we're looking for. in a form of a fill, in a form of a fill. Okay, let's go. I just want to put it here, and the other one here. Yes. Let me put it on the reverb as well. Just need the big one, the big reverb, the big one, the bigger one, the bigger one, the bigger one. That's gonna slide it down, bigger one. Yes. Yes.
Dangerous.
Yes. Yes. So it needs to go in the same pattern as this one I've just played here. It needs to go with the same pattern. So it's gonna bang. It's gonna bang. So it's gonna bang, baby. It's gonna bang in a way that we want it to bang. Let me take these ones. So you will all glitch here. Yes. This one needs to last. This one needs to last. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, they're a little bit lighter. Let me just tweak them a bit. Quick one. Yes. 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 Okay. Okay. Yes. Give it a little bit of punch. Yes. Like after now, we're gonna probably need the one that's gonna lead all the drums. That's gonna give it a move like it's them are taking. Okay. We need maybe some other vocals like ha 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 ha. Okay, let me get them. Obviously, maybe FL Studio can have those things, bro. Yes. Okay, now just need to be singing on one note, or maybe they may double them, but let's just hear. Wow. Yes. Okay. All right. I think the velocity for them need to play around with the velocity as well. So put them on the reverb as well, so they're gonna sound very, very cool. The texture needs to be a little bit different. Okay. Yes. But now, don't just leave them like this. Give them a little bit of punch. And then filter them. Yes. Okay. Probably now the other thing that we need, it's that moving drum. I'm gonna look maybe for a loop. I probably got them on my it's Looperman. Sorry guys, it's Looperman. I got some other sounds on Looperman. Let me just create an automation clip for this vocal. Okay. Yes. Okay. let's get this moving drum. We need that moving. Yes, yes. This one we need it just right from the start, but we need to make sure it doesn't overpower the other one. Okay, and we need to take this one very, very, very down. It must come down there. Yes. Yes. Okay, let me take these ones. Let me just make an automation clip here as well. So let me just. Yes. 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 Okay. All right. Okay. We need to put these ones here, maybe 2 of them, and then we try here. Yes. Okay. We need to put another crashes here out here. This broken one. We're giving it a little bit much power to give it an ambience, right? Okay, much power, so it's gonna have a proper ambience. Okay, I think this one may have to be, yeah. Okay, let me take this one down as well. Yes.
Perfect.
Yes. Okay, this little ride needs to come very, very, very smart under these ones, right? Okay. Okay, I think it needs to come with the 2 bars, 2 bars, 2 bars, 2 bars, 2 bars, 2 bars rhythm. I don't know. Let's test it out. Let's test it out. Let's test it out real quick. Yeah, I'm coming on that one. I'm coming with that 2 bar pattern. Let's hear it out. Nope. Probably we need to go like this and like this. Yes, I think this is a process. I think this is the way. So for us, so it's gonna win. You need to break it up like this. Break it up like this. Break it up like this. And for then boom. Yes. Boom. Yes. Then give it a little bit of reverb as well, so it's gonna be a little bit punchy. Yes. 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 It needs to move. 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 So it's gonna be something that's very awesome. Okay, let's go. Simple as that.
Of course.
Simple as that. Make sure you enjoy this one.